welcome back to Johnny's YouTube channel. Thanks for being there for us. So today we're going to be teaching you how to make icing sugar with just two ingredients.
So what are they?
Cornstarch and white sugar.
Good. So let's get started.
Let's get started.
Okay, so let's just show you the measurement. This is, come close.
1 tablespoon of cornstarch.
Okay, and this
and
one?
1 cup of white sugar.
Okay, so this is just the normal sugar. Okay, so and I'm going to make we are going to be making use of our coffee grinder. So if you have a bigger grinder, you can as well make use of it. So I'm using this because this is what I have for now.
Yeah.
So we are going to just this more for this, but I'm going to just divide it equally. I'm going to grind this into I'm going to grind it 2 times. Okay, yes, 2, yes. So this is approximately.
Can you tell us how you can be able to mix them together?
Yes, we'll first of all grind this one. Okay, then when it turns to dust, we will add this one. Okay, so
I can hear the sound is going like zoom.
Okay, I think we are done.
So we're going to put the second batch into the first one. So see how white it is. See how white. So just wait. Hold on. We're going to show it to you. See. You would just feel like using it right away now.
But it's very hot, so after grinding it, you have to wait for it to really cool.
Yeah.
Okay, there's our spoon. So
we're gonna use our spoon. See
so
how
refined
smooth it is.
and
this
smooth.
This is the best recipe ever.
Okay, refined and smooth. So you just allow it to cool. Okay, you allow it to cool, and your icing sugar is ready to be used. Just a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So
we will see you on our next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like our video, and don't forget to share,
yes,
and click the bell icon to get more notification when we upload more videos.
Oh, that's lovely.
Bye.
So my daughter has said it all. So this we are going to use this for shortbread. In our next video, we are going to show you how to prepare shortbread with this our lovely icing sugar.
Yeah,
so you remember, you know, anything you can use this particular recipe for anything at all you can produce or you use icing sugar for. Okay, it's just the same texture, the same end product. So you just go ahead and use it for whatsoever you need icing sugar for. Okay, so thank you so much.
And just join us in our next video. Please just subscribe, okay? And we will see you soon on our next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.